good afternoon guys. Okay, good afternoon today. You can watch this at night, at morning. I don't care. Bisang kamu din magkita, I don't care. As long as I did my job. Okay? So, I will do as much as video support as I can because naginimulat akong LP. Ha? So, gito samat ko nga daan yung trabaho. Kay katis, magreklamo ka mo, makita ka mo, na trabaho la talaga ako. Ginbabatag-batag ko la ako oras. Ha? So, video support for your chemistry for engineers. Topic 1, that is tools, fundamentals and tools. So I am talking usually about SI, System International, and ratios. Diba? Nag-topic na kita ito. So himay-himay yung tanaya in terms of problem. So may I read the problem in our native tongue. The problem says that i-convert ko nun naton ang imo PPB nga to PPM. So ang problema na to, that is 0.120 ppb, i-convert ko na 0.120 ppb ngadto ppm. Okay, patay. Okay. So, mapay nila. Hapit ko na wala ma-record. Patay lang, balik lang kita ini. So, we will just use a notation which is C. Kaya usually ang talk notation basta mga concentration. Because concentration starts with C. Di ba? So, C for concentration because I am looking for ppm. Diba? So C, which stands for ppb now, which is the given 0.120 ppb parts per billion, and then I am going to convert that to ppm. So your line of thought must be, ako natnasering ha, based on experience. May din mga formula, ppb, ppm, may mga formula ini. Bisan nga nit percent, diba? As you can remember, when you talk about percent, that is that thing that you are trying to get divided by the overall. You say 3%, 5% of the students are boys. So you are saying that 5 of them are boys in a 100 boys and girls. Okay? So that's also true for your PPB. For your PPB, that is parts per billion. So your percent is parts per 100. Your next to it is parts per 1,000 times 10 to the 3. And then next to it is ppm, parts per million, that is 10 to the 6. And then your ppb is times 10 to the 9, which is your billion. Okay? So you just have to think it that way, in terms of a rational way. Ayaw kong pag-unaw ng formula. Kaya dali, maupay formula, I don't know, kung may maestro yung nagtututut formula, sige, sakay-sakay na la. Pero ako nasiring nga daan, ayaw kong pay attention masyado at formula. Pay attention ka mo at mga meaning iton formula. And that will give you an edge nga tot iyo kuan ginpapangarap nga lisensya ha. Mga eday. So I will think of it as 0.120 parts in every 1 billion parts, that is 1 times 10 to the 9 parts. So again, that ang una nga kasi PPB is parts. Ayaw niyo pag i-misinterpret kita at mga meaning ini. The next P is per. Ito actually, minute per. Iniya nga line, divide, division. Di ba mo ratio? Per. So ayaw ka mo kapausa ha. Ginimo ko talaga yan explanation. Kay dapat sugad ka mo magunahuna. Yan explanation niya, diri and iya formula. And then of course the B is billion. So didi, kitaan parts, didi parts, and didi parts. Kaya again, when you talk about, waray kasi unit nga ginhatag. Mali ba kung nagsiring niya 3 ppb in grams, or 3 ppb mass. Kaya you can expect that that is in grams, or in terms of kilogram. So kaya waray man niya maghatag, ppb la, diba? Usually, may that niya good correlation, pero maabot kita ito when we talk about concentrations. But anyway, so adi nga, piha igbaw, that is per. And piha ubo, parts. Units. Where, naghihimo lang kita natin units, kaya wala units. Okay? O may dagad, PPB, pero mali po nga storyahon, ay ilaan na kita pag-istorya dida. So we'll just use parts. Kay parts per billion, the parts in parts. Okay? Parts. And then, because we're targeting the parts per million, basically we have to derive the 10 to the 6. So what I will do is just tutungaon ko lang 10 to the 9. Di ba natin algebra? 10 to the 6 and 10 to the 3. And that will give you 10 to the 9 because your algebra, if you have an exponent, a positive exponent, you just have to add them if you are multiplying with the same base. Okay? Remember your algebra. Remember your algebra. So that is 0.120 parts per 1 times 10 to the 6 times 10 to the 3 parts. And then, I will use now the 10 to the 6 in terms of the million that I am looking for. And then, this guy over here, 10 to the 3, I will put it at the top. So, remember the rules in your algebra that when you put 1 over a raised to m is what? A raised to negative m. So, that's what we're going to do. So, the 10 to the 3 would go up with times 10 to the negative 3. So, ikaw makapausa ha. Iton rule, kaya nasuga dito yan dida. Okay? And then, I will just put the 1 times 10 to the 6 parts. O, di nga parts pa, para akong ibubutang ko didi. And then, I will now try to make this sa decimal. 0.120 negative 3. So, maano man. So, ma-move ka lang ito. Ano mat movement? To the left, to the right. To the left, to the right. Balik igadla. Kung sana si ka, 0.01. Kung mag-move ako to the right, that is a negative sign. Diba? That is 1 times 10 to the negative 2. So, kung ibig sabihin kayo, inibaliktad, ma-move ako to the left. O, mo gilat yung sir mag-una-una, direct yung memorize. Balik-balik ilat iyo, exponential notation. So, meaning, ma-move ako to the left. Matulo. Okay, so ma-move ako to the left. 1, 2, 3. And then I will add 3 zeros before. 0.000120 parts per 1 times 10 to the 6 parts. Making it 0.000120 ppm. So, that is 0.00120 ppm. Actually, scientific notation, diri kasi kumita kung ano't answer rin eh. But it's either a minute answer. Kung ako magagat answer, it's either a minute answer or igdidisuglot ni mo balikin maupat. Kaya of course, itaton default is mabalik kita usala iton iya number ha unahan. That's the scientific notation really if we're going to use that. Usalat number ha unahan tapos and then we express other things in terms of exponent. So, baga akong bumalikin 1 times 10 to the negative 4 ppm. Okay, so again ha, kung ako't mag-check, check ade, check gap ade. Para akon. Oh, dirty sir, sugad ka malala nga. Sayop lan answer ang libro, sayop na, linurong ito. Bisan iba't solution liwat, given that your solution is logical. Waray ito problema, sir. Okay, so ayaw ka mo kadlok pag-try. Ngan, dinalak maestro ito ibang mga maestro, ireto diskarte, ako na diskarte lalat ako. Ay, pwede nga nato nag-calculator. Totoo na yung sir, pipinakuryang kami. Anyway, tikang didaig ba, makikita niyo ang 1.120 times 10 to the 3, pwede natin nagbutang ang calculator. Ay, sorry. Nakiwa. Pamalas na ako. Kay nagsayop ako kanina. Di ba? Kasayop sir, maupayat video-video kay pwede ko like delete. Ayos na no. Diba? Walang kahirap-hirap. 0.120 and then exponent negative 3. So ato na. May daka 1 times 10 to the negative 4. Hai mo calculator nga scientific. So pwede ka mag-calculator. Labi na kung online tato na exam. God. Aray problema sir. Basta maaram. Anyway, damot question. Okay, thank you guys.